everybody, and welcome back. We are here for another video. I'm here with Nova. We got a new hairstyle that's super cute and it's pretty easy. I got this style from Pinterest. I actually saw it on a different hair type than Nova's, but I tweaked it a little bit so we can do it in Nova's hair and it still looks super cute and works really well. So let's get started. Alright, so we're gonna start off with her hair washed and combed out. I'm gonna get it a little wet because it started to dry. So I'm gonna just wet it down some more. And I'm going to part it down, well, it's already parted down the middle. I'm just gonna fix it up, make sure it's straight and all the hairs are even, but you're just gonna part directly down the middle all the way back. Alright, now once it is parted, you're gonna just part it in the middle. I'm gonna tie up this side because I'm not gonna use it right now, so I'm just gonna put a clip in it and keep it out the way. Now I'm going to comb this side of the hair out just to make sure there's no tangles or anything, make sure it's nice and detangled. Alright, and what we're gonna do is make a part right up here. Now I'm gonna go along right where like the arch of her eyebrow is. Just take that back and split the hair. And I'm gonna go back to about the middle of her head. So about right here, you have this parted down here, and then you bring it all the way back. Alright, so I'm gonna put this in a clip back here because we're not gonna need it right now. Alright, as you can see, we parted from the middle of the head all the way down to the tip of her ear. Just a straight part down, and then I parted from the arch of her eyebrow. You come back, and I just parted back. So we have these two sections. I'm going to clip this one up because I'm not going to need it right now, and we're going to work with this one. Now for this one, we're going to section into 4 small boxes. So I'm just going to start right there. Just go across, make sure it's even. Put that behind you, behind the clip. I'm going to get a little elastic and some of my flaxseed gel. Now you can use cream, you can use your own gel, whatever helps keep your child's hair in a ponytail. And just use my toothbrush here to make sure it's all nice and smooth. And there is the first section. I'm going to make another box. Just part it about the same size as the first one. There's more hair back here, so it's going to be a little different. About the same size. And get you another rubber band, some gel, run it all the way through. Now you want to line this one up with the first one, keeping it in the middle of your box. There's your second one. I'm going to do this third one. Now this one actually is its own size. I kind of parted it perfectly for these three. I'm gonna have to make an extra box, but I'll do this one first and then we'll gather a new box. Make sure while you're doing this, if you need to comb out any knots or tangles, you do that. So with this box, you can just lay it down for a second. We're actually going to split this first one. I'm going to split it in two. Okay? You can lay the second box over it like that. But you're going to take one of these, and I'm actually going to just twist, 2-strand twist. Just twist one around the other. Right there, and then we're going to take the other half of that first box. You're going to split it in two and just twist one around the other, 2-strand twist. Now for the third box, before you put the ponytail in, you're going to take both these twisted ones. Let's put that over there. These twisted ones, you're going to put one on one side of the second box and one on the other side. So as you can see, there's one coming around it on this side, and there's one coming around it on this side. Then you're going to gather all those together with your third parted box and just put it in a ponytail. See, let's try to get this to focus. You put it around here on this side, one half, and the other half around here. You're going around this ponytail in the second box. So let's make our fourth box, because I didn't go back quite far enough. So we're just going to come back a little more. All right, so we have, you want this section down here that we parted to be lined up with this top section too. So that's why I brought this one back all the way as well. I'm just gonna twist this up. Clip it up here. All right. So now we have our fourth box section. So you're gonna do the same thing with this second box. Some of my gel. Oops, sorry, honey. Get some of my gel. You're going to split it in half. And then you're going to do, each half is going to be a 2-strand twist. So you split it again and just wrap one around the other. You bring it on this side. And then you're going to do the other half. Split it and do a 2-strand twist. You don't have to go all the way back, just enough to where it reaches this fourth section. So for here, you take, oh, it's not focusing. All right, so So from here, you can just lay this one forward and make sure your second box, the second one, your twist coming from it, one goes on this side and one goes on the other side. You're wrapping it around the third box ponytail. Put some of my gel here. You're going to gather all three pieces, the two from the second box, the two twists that you wrapped around, and the fourth box hair, and put in your ponytail. Alright, there you go. Now for this one, since we have no more boxes created, just going to put some gel in it, comb it out a little. You're going to split this one and do your 2-strand twists on each side. And you're going to make sure that these are wrapped around this fourth box. So you put one on this side, and you put this one around this side. Now we're done with these for right now, so we're going to go ahead and clip them up. Take the clip from this one, because we're going to use that section now. I'm just going to clip those back for now. Spray this down. Okay, I'm gonna get some of my gel. Just make sure all these little hairs are pulled up in here. Her baby hair's going down. Now for this section, I'm just gonna do a braid. I'm just gonna do a cornrow all the way back. You don't have to braid it all the way to the end. There you go. Okay, so you have your braid, you have your twists up top. So now we're going to connect those with this back section here and make a ponytail. So I'm just going to clip this up. I'm going to clip that one up and spray our hair down, get it nice and wet. Comb it out. And put some, oh, sorry honey, put some of my gel in it. Make sure I get all around the edges here. Get my soft bristled brush, just bring them all up. All these little baby hairs she has back here. The hair in the back of her head is the shortest on all of her head, and I don't know why. It just doesn't seem to want to grow. Toothbrush seems to help get those little pieces up here better. Alright, so we have this section. You're going to unclip these. Gather them all together. Your twists and your braid. Rubber band. There you go. Now I'm gonna put these little ball barrettes in her hair. Do yellow since we use yellow rubber bands. And for the final touch on this side, I'm going to just put some twists in this ponytail. And there you go. This is the finished look for this side. So we just did our twists. And we split it in half and wrapped it around the next box. So you wrap it around and gather in with that one. So this one's wrapped around and then just put into the ponytail, and this one's just put into a ponytail. And then we just have our braid on the side. So I'm going to do the other half and then I'll show you guys the finished look. Alright, and just like magic, the other side is done. And we just did, put your head down. We did the same thing. We did the ponytails, 4 of them. We took the first box and split it around the second one and gathered it with the third. Took the second box and split it around the third and gathered it with the fourth. And the third box was split and put into this ponytail along with the fourth box's hair. And then we just put in a braid on the side for little barrettes up here and twisted the back. And that is the final look. It's super cute. Do you like it?
Yes.
I think it's super cute. And the yellow stands out so good. I love the yellow.
When I go
It's nice and bright.
When I go to school tomorrow, everyone's going to be like, wow.
Yep. Alright guys, well thank you for watching. And if you guys want to see more tutorials like this, just hit that subscribe button.
Like, share, and comment.
Like, share, comment, and we hope to see you guys soon.
Stay tuned.
Bye. See you later.
See ya.